Hi, and welcome back to our video tutorial series for how to create a website through our local Business First site editor platform. Today, we will be discussing how to change the body of your website. Remember that your website is comprised of essentially three main parts: the heading at the top, the body, which contains the bulk of your website, and then finally your footer at the bottom. The body is the big area in the center that contains most of the unique content of a web page. For example, the photo gallery you want to display or a feature article that you want your visitors to read. This is the area that changes from page to page. We add content to the body by using widgets. Widgets are pieces of pre-formatted code that you can add by simply clicking and dragging them into the main body of your website. So very quickly, I will show you how to add a few widgets into this main homepage of my template site. So first, I'm going to add a text box below this large heading here, which I will change to match the heading on our actual website by simply copying and pasting into the existing text box. So to enter a new text box, I'll just click Widgets and then the text, and click and drag right under the main heading there. And for the content of this, I will once again click and drag from our existing website and paste it right in here. And just like any other platform, you have the ability to go in and change the colors and font sizes and how the text is centered. And once you're done, you can go ahead and press the check button. And this video doesn't exactly match my template, but I'm just going to leave it here for now. Next, I'll show you how to add a button. So same thing, go into widgets and then click and drag a button. And I'll put that right below my heading and the subheading. Next, I'll add a unique feature that's one of my personal favorites, an image slider. So I'll just click and drag, and make sure when you're doing this, you're putting it into whole new rows. And this will immediately pop up with the images that are featured in your slider. The slider is basically kind of a unique way of putting some pictures together with text and buttons on top that allows your users to click between different ones. And I would recommend actually having the different sliders be kind of ways of directing traffic to the different pages of your website. To change these, all you have to do is click anywhere within the picture and then click on the photo itself. You can change the titles, the text within, as well as the button here. And you can also link to different pages within each slider. You can also change the rows, how they're ordered on your page by clicking row and then playing with these arrows here. So if I wanted this to go below my text here, all I have to do is click the down button and it automatically goes down. A gallery is another cool way to add some pictures and some life to your website. So once again, just click Widget and go to Photo Gallery and click and drag into a new row. And this will come up with your different images once again. It gives you a really cool way of having your customers interact with your website by hovering over the images to get more detail for exactly what they are. And then finally, I'll just show you how to make an image or a row a full bleed. So a full bleed essentially just makes the picture go from being centered on your page as it's showing up right now to going all the way from left to right. So to do that, all I did was click Row, Edit Design, and then select Full Bleed Row. And there it is. And as you can see, there's so many different widgets to choose from, so I really would recommend going through as many as possible to decide what's best for your website and what will be most appealing to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune into our next video.